crafty one. Start off by taking a paper that has been folded over. Make the square shape out of it. Now, make it look like a present and then add this big bow at the top of this present. Now open it out, close it out, and then begin to draw on Santa in the middle of it all. We have started with this hat, and now we have added the nose, rest of the beard, and then add the eyes on top of this. Add the rest of his costume as well as the hands and the body as well. And then after you are done with this, color it up. Open and close it as you please. Next, we'll start off by folding up our paper and then add these two almost circular shapes either side. Afterwards, add the top to it as well and then begin to add facial expressions to it. As you can see, we have drawn one of them winking, and as for the other one, we have not drawn anything. Now, color it in, or rather, fill it up in the middle after opening it in, and then afterwards draw a little bird in the middle. Make it look like it is standing on a branch and then finish coloring this in. Open and close it as you please. Next, we'll start off by folding over our paper. We'll be drawing this flame-throwing chili. Now, we'll start off by folding over our sheet and then drawing the chili shape entirely. Now, add the eyes at the top as such. Once you open out, now connect the rest of it, make the rest of the mouth, add the teeth at the top and the bottom accordingly, and then add the little baby tongue at the back and then show that fire is coming out of it. Color this in and then open and close it as you please. Next, start off by drawing a circular shape. Once you have drawn a circular shape, open up your sheet of paper and then fill it in. Make it look like a bitten apple on the inside and then add a little worm to it with antennas and a little face to it as well. Now, after this, at the top of it, make it look like a watermelon. Add the lines to it as such. Color it in and now open and close it. Next, we'll start over by folding our paper and then afterwards add this little lemon-like shape to it. Now, add a leaf at the top, add a face in the front and then open up your sheet and then draw the rest of the mouth. Add the teeth at the top and the bottom and then add a long tongue in the middle of it all. After this, you may color this in and then open and close it as you please. Add some tears to the top as well. Now for our next drawing, we will start off by drawing this carrot. And now fold over the sheet of paper to begin with and completely draw the carrot. Add the lines at the top and then the leaves at the top. Now open up the sheet and then add your little bunny rabbit in the middle of this. Add the little paws to begin with. Now add the head. Add the ears at the top on either side. Once you're done with this, add a cute little expression to it as well. Now after you're done with this, slowly begin to color it in using a marker. Now once you're done with this, open and close it as you please. Next, we'll start off by drawing this apple shape after folding over your sheet of paper. Add the leaf at the top of it all and now using a red marker, begin to color this in. Now, once you open up the sheet, you may add the insides of it and make sure that it looks eaten up, and then you may also add a little worm to it as such. Add the antenna and then add a worm on the other side of it as well. Now add the detailing to the worms and then add some seeds in the middle of it all. Now open and close it as you please. Make sure that you color the insides of it as well. Next, we'll start off by taking this green apple, open and close it as you please. Start off by drawing the green apple on a closed sheet of paper. Add the top leaf to it as well. After you are done with this, color it in green. Open up the sheet of paper. Now, fill the rest of it in. Add these ears to begin with, and then afterwards, add the face, that is the rest of the face to it. Now, add a little nose to it as well. And then afterwards, fill in the rest of the detailing. Thank you for watching.